Hi, everybody. Today we are going to start on 1.4 Crush the Bug. I've already spoke with you about Grace Hopper, who is the first person whose team found an actual bug in the computer that was causing the problem with their computer. And that bug was a moth. Now, the term bug has become popular for errors in code. And so we are going to start code tracing now. And code tracing is a method to analyze and record information about a program's execution. This is used to find bugs in the computer. Of course, code is sometimes thousands and thousands of lines long. So you want to code trace. That way you can find out what part of the code is not working. So it is important to code trace because um, it saves time. Because the code is thousands. Sometimes codes are thousands and thousands of lines long, and you need to have it. You need to code trace to find the errors faster, instead of just randomly trying different things. Now, that was the answer to number one. Number two, it says you're going to need to complete the code tracing chart. Well, let's look at the chart first. So you have your code here where it says code. That is the actual code that you have that is in the program you're working on. The outcome desired is what the code is supposed to do. The actual outcome that is observed is what the code actually did. And then, of course, whether it's correct, correct or not, which is a yes or no question. So it says to start with this Buggy code. So we are going to click on this link and get the code, the Buggy code. Once you click on the link, you will be brought to this here. Now, this isn't what you're used to seeing in MakeCode, but it is the code, and we can click edit or edit code here, and it will take you to the MakeCode that you're used to seeing. Now, what you need to do is get your snipping tool. It's either Snip and Sketch or Snipping Tool. Just depends on what type of computer you're using. But it is under your home button where you sign off at. And on your computers, you will probably have to scroll down to the snipping tool, or you can put it into your search bar. Mine's right here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And whenever you get there, you click new. And of course, your screen grays out. And for the first part of the code, we are going to just get where it says button A is pressed. So we're going to take that image, we're going to copy it, and we are going to paste it here. And then we're going to go back and we're going to get the next image. So we're going to take an image of all the blocks, each block individually, but you can't get the full block in your image because you will get all the other blocks too. So, like for the pink one, the button A, if you got the full block, you would get all the other blocks. So you're just going to take what it says. And so we're going to do that real quick. We're going to get it all put in here, and we're going to get it here. Now, whenever you are working on this project, or this assignment, you will have a error in every one of these codes. So they all are broken, and you will need to make sure that you find the error in every one of the codes. So you know that every one of them is there. Um, Also, the correct amount of blocks that are, or I'm sorry, rows that are there on the code tracing chart is the correct amount that you need for each code. So make sure that you are not adding or deleting any of these rows. And now I am on my last image. I'm sorry, I pressed the wrong thing. I'm sorry. I'm on the last image here that I need to copy and paste. And now you will need to watch video 2 for the second part of this, to know what to fill in the other boxes for the outcome, desired outcome, and the outcome observed, and the correct. All right. Thank you very much.